Hey guys, Alex here from Center Power Sports coming to you to talk about our brand new load of 2021 Starcraft Delta Series boats. These boats just showed up yesterday. A lot of time left in the summer, still time to get out and take advantage of it. We got a couple of new Deltas. This one over here is a 178 FXS. This one is a fish and ski model, so it's got your bimini top, ski, tow bar. It's coming with a Minn Kota power drive trolling motor on it, and also a Humminbird Helix 7 on the dash for you, so you can still go fishing in the evening and take the family out during the day. Coming over here, we've got another new boat in. This one is also the Delta series, but this is going to be the DC. This is going to be their fishing specific model. What you're going to gain in this boat is you got a full-size rod locker. This one's coming with a Minn Kota Taroba on the front. And we got another Humminbird Helix 7 on the dash on this one. It's all wired for a 24-volt system, and this boat's powered by a 150 horse Mercury 4-stroke outboard. And then down here, we've got one more boat. We've got a Delta 178 FXS. Once again, 17-foot fish and ski. The biggest difference on this one is you'll notice this one's coming with our first ever Yamaha VMAX Show outboard motor. We are now officially a Yamaha dealer for their outboards. Today is the first day that we've had to take a peek at it. We're very excited to be able to carry Yamaha. They're great motors. They're going to be a great addition to our lineup, along with Mercury's and Suzuki's. So we're really looking forward to bringing them on board and putting them on the boats and get them out on the water. So if you have any other questions, you can always stop in, give us a call. And lastly, we've got a bunch of remaining 2020 Starcraft boats. We've got 3 left on hand, and we're blowing them out. Summer's coming to an end. We got to make room for the new boats coming in next year. So stop in and give us a call today or check them out. We've got some great deals going on those last 2020 boats in stock too. Once again, give Luke or myself a call. Center Power Sports and Marine, 320-351-7669. Thank you guys.
Center Power Sports and Marine, igniting your passion for adventure.
Center Power Sports and Marine.